Let's see how to remove duplicate words from a single Excel cell in seconds. First, type text join because we needed to combine the unique words back into a single cell. Then type open parenthesis, followed by 2 quotation mark with space in the middle, because we want to place a space between each word. Next, type true to ignore any empty results. After that, type unique, because we only want to keep one occurrence of each word. Then type transpose, because we need to convert the words into a vertical list for the unique function. Finally, type text split, next select the cell reference D2, then add comma, and again add 2 quotation mark with space in the middle, and close all the remaining parentheses and press enter. Excel will remove the duplicate words and return only the unique words in a single cell.